So I don't want influencers because they broadcast each and every moment. When I buy you flowers, I'm buying flowers for you to feel good and see that I love and I appreciate you. I'm not buying you flowers so that you can prove to the world that you are in love.
Yeah, to show the world that coach bought me flowers.
Do you understand the difference though? Yeah. So if you're my partner and I give you money and I buy you gifts, I'm buying and giving you, me appreciating you. I don't want the camera.
Keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
Between us.
Between us. You're an influencer. We go on a date. I'm driving a Ferrari. First thing you're gonna do is to snap my hand and my watch and post on your stories. They're gonna see it's me. Ferrari. How many people have Ferraris? Far away from them.
Going back to Forex,
Yeah.
how much money have you seen in your bank account, not now, that you literally just saw and you're like, no, yeah. Marifihlile vele mo.
Mina nakuchava SARS. But just know that it's millions though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't state whether it's 1 million or more. I will not state because my enemies now, they're too much.
They're well connected.
They're well connected. Some of them, chava melato. Yeah.
Dear coach, thank you so much, man. Are you dropping any music anytime soon?
Yeah, I'm dropping an EP, 3 steps to piano.
Nice.
So it's 3-step sound, only with my boy KOBSA. So I think I'm having Lady Do come over to studio.
Nice.
I wanted to drop a verse as well, and I'll see a couple of people that I could work with from my contacts. But yeah, I'm gonna drop something. I haven't dropped in a long time because I think, my man, it's difficult to be a DJ. You make 200,000 a week on gigs. Where else you can be a Forex trader and make 200,000 every day in like 5 minutes when the news starts, the opening of Nasdaq and whatsoever. You understand what I mean? So in a week, I make $1 million as an example, and I have gigs throughout the weekend. I just go there for fun. Do you understand what I mean? Like, I'm not going to gigs for money or that hunger or I have bills to pay. I've already got that covered. Why one?
Are you still doing Forex trading classes?
No, I don't have time. Honestly, I don't have time anymore.
Yeah,
I don't have time. Even trading for myself. My office they do trade.
Okay.
They do the entire admin, but personally, people want my personal touch. Do you understand what I mean? And they can't get it anymore. 2020, I once made a voice note to one of my groups on WhatsApp to say, guys, you see now you're talking to me directly. It will not be like this. And that time has arrived. Nobody has access to me. You can't speak to me directly. Even the numbers you see on social media, it's my employees. I have about 6 people managing my accounts. From WhatsApp to the DMs, even the DM. I see some of the screenshot of one Romela ladies saying, I think I like you. Someone else is sending me as a screenshot and I say to them, ignore or say thank you.
Because I wanted to ask you that you know, sometimes now that you have money, the women that you couldn't attract back then, now you're attracting them now. I mean, like,
yeah, but I think now personally, I don't like influencers.
Okay.
I'm friends with all of them. The ones that you know, on a personal level, hey, we are good. But in terms of dating, no. Because I think one thing about me, if you check, you will never see anything when it comes to my personal life. I'm going to make you an example. When you think you know something personal about me, it's because I wanted you to know. Do you understand the difference? There are a lot of private vacations, dates, moments that I've went to. If I don't want you to know, you will never know. So on social media, I don't date, my man. You'll never see a relationship on social media. If you investigate and find it, that's on you. Congratulations. But myself, I don't do social media dating because influencers, Here's how they're going to catch me. You are an influencer. We go on a date. I'm driving a Ferrari. First thing you're going to do is to snap my hand and my watch and post on your stories. They're going to see it's me. Ferrari, how many people have Ferraris? One would argue that it's a lot, but let's be realistic. How many people have Ferraris?
Few people.
You understand what I mean? You can literally count to say, where I stay, I know the Ferraris. There's about 10 of them. One is the owner of one. The same way. Oh, one is the Forex guy. We all know each other. You can literally count. So it's easier to identify a red Ferrari. That's coach. So I don't want influencers because they broadcast each and every moment. When I buy you flowers, I'm buying flowers for you to feel good and see that I love and I appreciate you. I'm not buying you flowers so that you can prove to the world that you are in love.
Yeah, to show the world that coach bought me flowers.
Do you understand the difference though? Yeah. So if you are my partner and I give you money and I buy you gifts, I'm buying and giving you, me appreciating you. I don't want a camera.
Keep it to yourself. Keep it between us, man.
Between us, yes. So that's why my relationship can start and end peacefully. I don't have drama to create a relationship. Now, if you go on social media, but then social media, I've never seen this person in my life. Because why are you doing that? I mean, we were together. Did I announce on social media? Social media is not the real place, my man. It's where we work. Yeah, it's not a real place. So choose what you take there because it doesn't get deleted. It stays for a lifetime.